I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vercel versus VS Code. Vercel is a powerful cloud platform designed for deploying and scaling web applications, particularly those built with modern front-end frameworks. On the other hand, VS Code is a versatile and highly customizable code editor, essential for writing, editing, and debugging your code locally. Understanding their distinct roles is key to optimizing your development workflow. They are not direct competitors, but rather complementary tools. Vercel truly shines in its ability to simplify web application deployment. It offers instant, zero-configuration deployments for frameworks like Next.js, ensuring your projects go live quickly. With automatic SSL, a global content delivery network, and serverless functions, Vercel provides a robust and scalable infrastructure. Its seamless Git integration also enables continuous deployment, making updates and rollbacks incredibly efficient for developers. VS Code provides an exceptional environment for coding, offering extensive customization through its vast marketplace of extensions. Developers benefit from powerful debugging tools, integrated Git source control, and intelligent code completion that significantly boosts productivity. Being lightweight and cross-platform, it's accessible to nearly everyone. The integrated terminal and rich ecosystem of features make it an indispensable tool for daily development tasks, supporting countless programming languages. To summarize, Vercel and VS Code serve different, yet equally crucial, functions in the development process. You should leverage Vercel for deploying your finished web applications, ensuring they are fast, secure, and scalable. Conversely, VS Code is your go-to tool for all local development activities, from writing and editing code to debugging and version control. Together, they form a powerful duo, streamlining your workflow from conception to deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.